Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 22. This is Section 3.2, Problem 22. It says round 45.098214 to the nearest 10,000th. So the same number has been used in the previous few questions, but rounding to a different place. So now 10,000th, what position is that? And then we want to look at the next digit over and see if it's big enough to push our rounding digit up one or not. So first, find the position. So starting at the decimal point, the next one to the right is tenths. To the right after that is hundredths. One more to the right after that is thousandths. Then after that is 10,000ths. So this is the one we want, the 2. Now we have to decide, does that turn into a 3 and we eliminate the digits that come after it, or does it just stay as a 2 and we eliminate the digits that come after it? And what will determine that is the next digit to the right, which is only a 1. That's not big enough. 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we just eliminate the digits that come after it, leave the rounding position the way it is. If it were bigger, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you would increase the rounding digit by 1, it would bump up to a 3, and then you eliminate the digits after that. But it is small, it's on the small part of it, so we will just leave the 45.0982, the other digits after it are eliminated, and that is the final answer.